In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix Roblox Error Code 277. Make sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. To fix Error Code 277, you're going to begin by clicking on your Windows key and going down to Settings. Once you have Settings opened up, you're going to click on Apps and go down and find Roblox. Once you find Roblox, you will actually have to click it and uninstall it. It'll take just a moment to uninstall the app, but once it's done, you will be good to go. Now, once it's uninstalled, it'll give you a pop-up that says it's been uninstalled, so you can exit Apps and Features. The next thing you're going to do is click on the Windows and the R key at the same time, and it'll open up a folder option that looks like this. It might say %appdata%, but we're going to change it to %localappdata%, and click on OK. It's going to open this, and you're going to scroll down and find Roblox. All you're going to do is right-click it and delete it as well. Now, it does take quite a bit to delete since there are so many items in the Roblox folder, but once it's all deleted, you will be able to actually re-download Roblox. So since I've deleted all things related to Roblox, I can now go to the browser for Roblox and open up a random game. I'm going to click on play and it will begin to load. But once it realizes that I don't have it downloaded, I'm going to click download and install Roblox. And you just follow the options and download Roblox once again, and the game will open up without the error code 277. And that's all there is to it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.